Hi Gemini, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you all very much for being here today. If you are interested in getting personal reading or personal advice, check out the description box down below. That's where you will find the link. Also check the comment section down below for a link to if you're interested in that. And also, guys, I am going to be talking to you guys today about your love life and what's going on. So if you are new, you've never been here before, welcome to the community. I'm sure that you all will like this. I'm sure that you will enjoy this guidance. Also, please give it time for the messages to play out, for the dots to connect and everything to make sense. We do have until the 15th for this to resonate with you all. In this guidance, I do speak to your higher self. So if you are tapped in and turned on to your higher self, then these messages more than likely will resonate with you. All right, so keep that in mind. Everything is divinely timed. So the timing of it is 9 times out of 10 when these events are going to play out on my channel. All right, so Gemini, we're going to talk about you and this person's feelings and how you both see each other. I also have a song here for you guys that's been channeled, and the song for you is Escape Understanding. This song is by 90s group Escape, and the part of the song that I keep hearing for you guys is, what I need from you is understanding. How can we communicate if you don't hear what I say? What I need from you is understanding. So simple as 1, 2, 3. Understanding is what we need. You guys, so this definitely feels like someone in this connection is calling out the other person for having a lack of understanding about different things when it comes to this connection. Someone in this connection is calling out someone and saying that, listen, I'm being firm at this time. We're not going to be able to communicate anything with each other, talk to one another, or see eye to eye if one of you guys in this connection does not have understanding about what's really going on. And so this seems like a person who's kind of losing a little bit of patience with someone about their need to understand the bigger picture, okay? Or to understand who a person truly is, or the role that they play in another person's life, okay? So getting into you, Gemini, and how you are feeling, it seems like you guys are crossing the threshold into a new beginning, finally taking the first step into a new world. You seek a change and are making a positive change in the right direction with a specific person that you love or that you want to be with. So who will love you is important right now. Who will love you back? And I think that now you are aware of who that person is, and their love holds weight. And you are constantly able to achieve your goals when you show love back to this individual. When you are loving and you open up and be receptive to them, then they will be with you. But if you don't show them any love, then there's no understanding about why this person feels the way they feel and that kind of thing. So I think that there's a realization from you, Gemini, that without this person, things won't be the same. And so you put down your pride in order to finally take a step forward now with your life, right? With them, maybe. But you are taking some type of step forward into a new world, trying something that you have never tried before, which I kind of feel it's to show compassion or to open up your heart more, or you're taking some type of step in the right direction that's going to better your life or improve things for you. But whatever this is, the lack of understanding created a lack of this person being in your life, because I don't know if you saw things from their perspective in the past. So this person had walked away, or possibly you guys were at a distance, or they set some boundaries, or whatever it was that happened with you and this person. And it's because that I'm strongly feeling with this song is that someone didn't have that understanding that the other person needed, okay? Now, Your person, how they feel, this person feels fantastic actually. They feel really, 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 really positive about things. They also have a very positive expression of love towards you, and they take a very realistic approach right now to the connection with you. Their energy is magnetic and really, really optimistic. They're very helpful and hopeful when it comes to this connection as it slowly starts to build and become formed into something more solid or concrete between the two of you. Because I think that what's happening, Gemini, is that you are moving toward this person, and you doing this is a positive thing because this person sees this as an opportunity of having a door open for them where you're actually showing up, okay, and they're like, okay, good, this is really good, I'm glad that the Gemini is showing up. So they now have so much assurance and clarity about this connection with you because they see you doing something positive now. Okay, so they wonder if you feel the same way that they feel about you. And this new beginning it really has this person in a really, really good mindset about you and about this connection, because maybe you are starting to understand. And speaking of that, from your point of view, you see them as a person who either needs to understand what happened in the past between the two of you, or maybe that they do have understanding about everything that's gone on or taken place within your connection. Maybe they have a more mature view of the connection. So let's get a little bit deeper and see which way is this going here. You see them as someone who is taking a step back to examine themselves right now, kind of like in a self-reflection state, where the current situation between the two of you, this person has a deep understanding of what's going on. That's what it is. You see them as the one having understanding now at this stage in your connection. They understand the depths of your love for them. Now they see it. Now they understand how you operate. Now they understand what you have been wanting them to see for a long time. How much you really love them, how much you really care about them, how you see them as your true love. Now they finally see that, and they have this clear awareness now of the underlying reasons for all the challenges and situations that you guys went through in the past. I get a sense that you guys went through some things with this person because maybe in the past you didn't understand the things that they would do for you, or how they would show up in your life, or how they were trying to be in your life, or how they wanted to love you. Maybe you subconsciously pushed them out. Maybe you were not aware that your energy could have restricted them from coming towards you. Maybe you didn't know the impact that you had on this person, the influence that you really had on them. But now they see that you really understand now. Now you see that they really understand now. You see that they understand your capacity to love them. And they see that. They see, and now they understand finally what was going on behind the scenes. So you see them as looking at all the facts about the situation, all the facts, all the attitudes that were formed before making certain decisions. They're looking at how they played a role, how they contributed to the problems in the past with you two as well. Because now that they understand that everything that you've done was driven by love, then that's why they're able to do this. So they're self-aware, and it is a necessary foundation for building a strong relationship with you, or a friendship with you, okay, or even to work with you if this is a work colleague. They now understand what have they contributed to this? How did they see you before, and how this has affected the connection? So they understand now that, Gemini, your personality is the basis of understanding the purpose for you two coming together in the first place. This person may have bickered with you, argued with you, or you guys may have had some type of conflict in the past due to personality clashes. But now they're starting to understand that your personality is something that they cannot change. That is you, that is who you are. But you may not have had the best approach to showing them how much you love them. But now they understand it. Now they see what you have been trying to do. Okay? So, how do they see you, Gemini? This person sees you as a source of wisdom. A source of wisdom. You are wise when it comes to love. You have certain things that you know about connecting with them specifically. You have certain things that you understand about them and about this connection. And they now see you as a person who has a lot of wisdom and understands things as well. So they see you shining a light on things and helping them to connect with their own deep knowing. Okay? Things that they already know deep down inside, you shine a light on them and you help them see it even clearer. This could be you seeing someone's dormant talents and being able to bring these talents out to the forefront. Okay? This could be about you knowing a lot of information about a certain topic and you being able to help this person in a time of need. You're helping this person learn and absorb information, okay? So this could be a person that's in school right now or learning a lot of things in an educational perspective. They could be enrolling in college. They could be in some type of group class, a group setting where they're learning new things. They could be teaching themselves new things. They could be reading a lot, researching a lot. You're teaching them so many things about different things. Also, it could be that someone's like able to teach someone things in a spiritual way. That can be another thing here. But yeah, this person is, definitely, I feel like you're providing assistance, or the divine God is assisting this person with something. This person is seeing you as a very wise person, and they feel like you get a lot of guidance, and it's like you give this guidance to them in some kind of way, and you let them know things that are going on, things that are hidden. They could be you could be shining a light on something that helps to expose something, and they are going to carry it out and expose others because you helped them learn what that is that they needed to expose about other people. And they could be shining a light on other people's demons because of that. You've helped them to do that. It could be toward a group of people. It could be toward, a specific individual. But your wisdom about the things that you know that were going on, that were hidden around this connection, you were able to some kind of way magically transfer this information to them. This person caught it, and they were able to expose all the evil and all the bad things that were happening around the connection between you and them. They already know what was going on, or possibly they could have exposed you if you had played a role in what was going on. But either way, this person sees you as needing some, direction and to stay strong at this time, needing to know which way to go right now in this connection. You help this person to remove negativity and become open-minded and to clear their mind. It's something that you have done. It's something that you have said. It's something that you have showed this person about either the people they worked with or around, or the people that were in their family, or the people that were not for them, about friends or children. Is something that you show them about some deception or some evil or something that tried to keep your connection away from each other. Something you did helped them to see the truth about who was really behind the misunderstanding between the two of you. And now that this person really understands who it was and what was going on, this person has freed you, the both of you, from this type of thing that's been happening to keep you and this person apart. They have freed that because you gave them the clues, the signs, the little inklings to let them know that this is not because of us. We're not having problems because of just us. The misunderstanding came from a person or a group of people who wanted the misunderstanding. But now that you two have an understanding, now you guys can expose everything, all the snakes, okay, around the connection. And that's what I'm getting here. Really powerful. That's all I have for now. God bless.